Hello there. My name is Dr. Stephen Grinstead, and thank you so much for joining me. Today, I want to talk about an exciting online continuing education opportunity that I'd like to offer you. Psych Seminars has contracted with me to provide a 6-hour continuing ed class on freedom from chronic pain and suffering. And it have an online version that you can take in the comfort of your home at your own pace and your own time. And what we're going to cover throughout that 6 hours is the overwhelming problem for people with chronic pain and coexisting disorders, including addiction, the synergistic nature of the problem, and the synergistic treatment solution using my addiction-free pain management manualized treatment system. This is an exciting opportunity, and I'd like to invite you to take advantage of this by going to the link that's provided with this video and signing up. And again, there's no timelines on this, and you can go back and watch the presentation as many times as you want. Once you take the test and pass it, you'll get an opportunity to print out your continuing education unit. I'll provide some information along with the link to this sign-up page, and I would really encourage you to take this opportunity and please share this with other healthcare professionals who want to get some more education and helping this underserved population. I've been working with people with chronic pain and coexisting disorders since 1984, and I started developing the addiction-free pain management manualized treatment system in 1996 and have continued to revise it and actually field tested it in several treatment centers, including my own, for 2.5 years. It works. People get good outcomes. So please don't hesitate. Check this out. Go to the link provided. And when you take the course, let me know what you think. And I'm open to any feedback that you may want to give me. Thank you so much for your attention, and onward and upward with hope.